Buti na lang wala ka kanina. Yasha just went on this tangent, bro, of like really fucked up things.
Bakit? What? Ano yan?
Yeah, fucking crazy.
You know how I feel with time travel na.
Nah,
Ugh.
Paanong F things?
uh, like she's saying the ano, she's describing, ayan, yung mga ginawa ng mga serial killer dati, medyo, alam mo naman, fatigued kami. Like, we're just playing Minecraft and like, boom, Zoe be like, oh, my head hurting from the information that I've, Tapos like, nadidisturb lang ako dito, just playing Minecraft, please stop.
Yeah.
Uh, ano ba ulam kanina? Walang ulam. Fog.
Pala mag-research pala ako ng paper, ano.
Ano? Creeper design, final page.
Oo. Anong version to ng Minecraft?
1.18.12. Wait, may chance na hindi nagda-drop ng rod yung blazes?
Yes.
That's dumb.
You're dumb.
Fuck you!
Sorry.
Okay lang. Wait lang, ko lang pagkain. Tangina mo, Zoe. Ay, sorry. Tangina mo, Zoe. Ay, sorry. Tangina mo. Ay, sorry. Wait lang. If you hear... Okay, if you hear me dying... Oh, wait. Fuck you. I'm just gonna block it off.
Uy, nakahanap ako ng easy creeper.
Design?
Yep,
Mm.
small.
Okay, Birby.
Okay.
Zoe, I don't know, fucking count or like think of MC YouTubers, something like
Okay.
that. You can do it, man, baby.
Thanks, man. Hmm.
Nasaan kayo?
I'm in the cult.
The what?
Yung cult. Alam mo yung parang
Ah,
bahay ng cottage.
okay. Oh, what the hell? Phantom.
Oh, what? Bum, 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 bum.
Oh my god, this is deep. What the hell? What? Black room. Sheesh. Shiba. Wow. Wow.
Hello.
What to?
Nakita mo yung sparkles.
Yes. How?
And rods.
Wait, what? May ganyan yung entrance? Entrance?
Oh,
What?
parang may
Sipol.
sparkle.
May Mr. Slime sa baba.
Oo.
Sheesh.
Yeah. So cool.
Black room vibes. Damn.
Ayun dito. Ano ka? F1.
Pure darkness dito sa wall na to.
Mm. It's gonna be so cool pagtapos.
Yes. Wait, ano si Bernard?
Oh, nasa another. Kumukuha siya ng materials.
Mm.
Hello, Zoe.
Hello, who's
Ano
speaking?
ginagawa mo?
I ano, standing
Yo.
around kasi I need more N rods and then you're getting quiz rods.
Enron.
Bruh.
Holy shit, so many N-words, bro.
Pinagkaiba na itong farm, kailangan may cat.
Where?
Meow.
Yes, para matakot yung
Yeah,
creepers.
that's kind of cute.
Meow.
Oh, I'm scared of pussies. Sorry.
What?
Sorry, akala ko virgin ako.
What?
Uh-oh.
Uy, slime.
Oh my god. Gets nyo ba, guys?
Oo naman yun.
Sometimes it's alright to have outside noise than inside noise. Because pag may inside noise, ibig sabihin may langaw sa tenga mo.
Okay. Gagawin ko siguro yung creeper yung same dimensions ng warden ni Bern para hindi off yung ratio ng creeper sa warden.
Okay, ratio plus L plus tang ina mo, Zoe. Weird talaga ni Zoe. Siguro slight. Mga one half. No?
1/4, 1.
Asa ka,
Hello?
Bern? Asa ka, Bern?
Nether.
What?
Nether. It's a fortress. I'm getting Zoe the rod. I'm gonna give rods to Zoe.
Dude.
May gagawin ka ba after?
I'm gonna get like the materials needed.
Oo, sasama ako. Kailangan ko ng sand.
Oo nga pala. Okay. Wait. How many do you need, Zoe? Half a stack, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'm done here.
Nether? Anong rods?
Dan.
Blade rods?
Yes.
Ah,
Wait, Zoe, ba't ka tumatawa?
Sorry.
Ikaw talaga.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it.
Ay. Oh my god.
Oh, lag.
Hala, naglalag. Tangin na gawin ko kaya ringtone for 1 month.
Wait, ilan na yung quartz na kinuha mo?
Ewan ko.
Oh, wala pa?
Hindi, meron na.
Oh.
What?
I think I need more than 2 stacks.
Baka more than words.
Am I lagging?
Yes, it's lagging.
Sorry guys. Kakalabas ko lang sa sa mama ko. Hello?
God.
Saan ka, Zoe?
Gold.
Coke, okay. Oh my god.
Wait kita dito sa labas.
1, 2, 3. Okay, I have like three decks log out of final yet.
Amen.
Oh yeah, man, let's go. Okay, ito. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 6. I can make
Whoa.
15 more. Tapos,
Whoa.
ito yung half stack of deck. Okay. Wait. Ito yung stone of the glowing. Ito basura.
Wait, did you already see the sparklings?
The what? Yeah, ayun nga yung parang, what the fuck was that? Ayun yung Enrod, diba?
Yeah.
Yay! Oh my god, it always gets me, bro. Fucking Chad from Churdleys. Yay! Bro.
2, 3, 4. Okay.
Sorry, akala ko Velociraptor ako from Jurassic World Dominion.
My head.
Oh, sorry. Wait lang.
Fine.
Yung ulo ni Zoe. Wait lang.
Oh. Oh my god, a velociraptor.
Sorry, akala ko Velociraptor ako. Oh my god. Okay, Sherwin. What do we need?
Pang
Dick.
concrete lang.
Okay. Sand, right?
Yes.
I'm the
Yeah?
Sand Guardian.
Yay? Yay.
Yeah, he
Okay,
needs
follow
sand
me.
also.
Punta tayo sa Nether Portal. Tapos, doon tayo sa...
Sand Guardian.
Anong tawag dito? Doon tayo sa Azalea. Yay! I got the Bone Lighter and the
Ay,
Galactium
wait.
Ingots.
May ender
Bakit?
chest. May ender chest ka ba dala?
Yay!
Sige. Gawa lang ako ng shulkers ko.
Ako si Zoe eh, kasi... Tara, dali. Ako si Zoe, lagi ako may dalang Ender Chest. Pero okay lang yun kasi lagi ko dala yung Ender Chest. Nakasunod ka ba, Sher?
Oo.
Yay! Okay, fall.
Okay, nawala
Over the
na.
hill, okay?
Nawala
Over
na
the
kita.
hill,
Nawala na kita.
under the left. Wait, really? Wait lang.
Oo, nawala na kita.
Negative 65, 323. Hurry up, there's so many monsters. Negative 65, 323. Yay! Okay, you see me, sashimi. Ding-ding-ding-ding. Okay, baba tayo
Nice.
dito. Follow me. Okay, follow you. My butthole, yeah?
What?
Yay! We follow here and we go there and we fuck, okay? Sorry. Ayan, see that? Big. Yeah.
Oh, nice. Daming sand. Let's go.
Yay.
Ano ba, dark oak?
Did I... Oo nga pala, ito. Two sand and one grow. Ano daw, putang ina. Dito ko lalagay yung titi ko siya. I'm so sorry, guys. Oh, shit. Ba't ko binigay sa'yo si Spoon?
Bakit?
Oh, my God. Wala lang, tangin na mo. I mean,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Omsing! Hee-hee!
Ilang concrete ba? Ay, ilang concrete. Ilang sand ba kailangan para makagawa ng isang concrete?
1 to 1, I think. Ng gravel tsaka sand. Tama ba, Zoe?
4 sand, 4 gravel, and
Ayun.
1 die.
Tama lang.
Sheesh.
Die.
Hala!
Oh, rip.
Zoe, pinatay mo ako. Ikaw
Rip.
talaga.
Magpupuno na ako ng isang
Hindi mo ba alam na bawal yun? Kasi homicide. Guess mo kasi homie mo ko. Tapos like nag-slide. Ewan ko, tangin na mo. Wait, share, kaya mo na ako.
Oh, wala na pala akong shulker box.
May sugar ako. Yay. Oh, share. Ilan kailangan mo?
1 or 2.
Awuga.
Great.
1, 2. Awuga!
Awooga.
Huy, Zoe, akala ko ikaw yung furry. Ay, sorry.
I wish.
You are. Sorry.
Oh.
Oh.
1, 2,
Ano ulam mo, sir?
4, 5, 6.
Kanina,
Oo.
nilagang with munggo.
Damn. Anong nilaga?
Nilagang baka ata.
Sheesh, sarap. Ni Sherwin. Ah, sorry.
Um,
Um,
wait a minute. Nasa ba yung ano ko? Yung,
yung touch, tsaka si
Yes.
spoon.
yes.
Do you want it back?
No.
It's not done healing yet.
Okay. Oh
Siguro mga ano,
my god, dude.
20% pa.
8, 9, 10,
Okay, tama na, subo.
11.
Subo!
Bruh.
Ako si Zoe. Mahilig ako sa bra. Bra. Okay guys, kukunin ko na yung aking rune access. I will chop down this tree. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. I did some off mining camming. Wait, I did some.
Oh. Ang
Off
accurate,
mining
ang
cam.
accurate naman. So, off camera mining.
Oo, tapos pagkita mo, may ang dami ng loot gago. Okay guys, welcome back. I think I have STD.
What?
Hindi mo yun alam, Zoe? Static. Uh, G.
No.
What's the fastest way to Tunu?
Dude.
sorry. Oh my god. Guess mo ba sa...
Sorry, man. No. No! Oh my god.
Bakit? Bakit, Zoe? Okay ka lang ba, 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 Zoe?
Nag-spawn pa rin slimes?
Ano? Sherwin, ikaw talaga. Para mong kinigiliti yung betlog ko.
What are you
Oh, oh.
talking about, dude?
Fuck. May sumabit na kanin.
Deserve.
Uy, wag.
Ay,
Deserve pag dinilaan ko yung betlog.
What?
Sorry, guys.
May C30 nag-spawn?
Uy, patayin mo.
Okay.
Si Zoe. Joke lang. Hala, wow!
No.
No? Oo. Tonight I'm... Hala, umuulan. Bakit? Umiihi si Lord.
Dude, I hate slime. Not slimesicle. I would never.
No, I was thinking of a different slime too. So anyways,
Reincarnated slime. Oh, never mind.
nope. So anyways, anong kinain mo kanina? Zoe?
I don't know. Food.
Zoe! Okay, okay. Kunyari,
Stop asking me.
okay. Pero anong kinain mo kanina? Hindi naman sa pagiging makulit, pero anong kinain mo kanina?
Damn.
Hello?
Bye.
Ano mo? Sorry. Gago, may black sheep, baba.
Dude. Wenda.
Oo nga, when the black sheep. Hoy! Huwag ka dyan, black sheep. May pulis dyan.
Dude, stop. Stop. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry.
Ang dilim ng Dark Oudwood Forest. Gets mo kasi Dark Oudwood Forest. What the fuck was that?
What if we get lost in there?
Old.
Sorry, matot ako.
Okay lang.
Okay lang. Sige.
Okay lang, snip.
What? What? What the fuck did you say?
What?
Zoe's so fucking confused.
My brain still hurts, dude.
Okay. Huy, Sherwin, wag.
Oh, sensory overload.
Ooh.
Joke.
Zoe, pikit ka muna.
I'm joking.
No, pikit ka muna.
Boo.
10-minute break.
Dead. Okay.
Di naman ganyan yung, ano. Uy, si Zoe. Ah! crying? Why is she crying? Why? Why are you crying? This is a Toreador again.
Oh.
That's Zoe. Oh, wait. Ah, si Sherwin. Okay. Nigiro. Sorry, it's run in Japanese. Zoe! Nigiro! Oh shit, hello? Nawala ba si Zoe? Okay.
Oh my god, Discord. Ah, sorry.
Hindi. Ano siya? Nag-lag sa Discord. Zoe, okay ka lang. I just made the most wonderfulest the magicalest joke I ever did in my entire life of existence, okay? Yay! Wala na ulit si Zoe.
Yeah.
Yay!
Okay na yung one shulker box o kulang pa rin to? Napaggawa ng malaking paper.
Okay na yata yan. Meron pa naman sa bahay.
Okay.
Mom, can we get sand? No, we have sand at home.
Soul sand.
And at home, Gago, may phantom! Pero wala akong pake. Kasi isa ako dating phantom. Tignan mo, Sherwin, magiging phantom ako. Kaka!
That's not how phantom sounds.
Sorry. Ay, akala mo phantom ako na Zoe, pero hindi pala ako phantom kasi ako si Bernard.
Okay po, Kuya Bernard.
Ay, ni Romeo. Sir, napuntakan ka na ba sa baka?
What the f-
Oh my god. Boo. Ay, sorry, nagulat si Zoe.
The Fortnite? Ito cola. Yippee!
Gago, alam mo ba sa Fortnite, they took out the building mechanic?
For 1 week lang naman yun eh.
1 week?
Oh, for 1 week lang.
Wasn't it like the whole season?
Hindi, for 1 week lang sabi.
Lol.
Why
So,
though?
story, lore.
Oh, story lore.
Rip.
Drip. Pussy, sorry.
Tara, Bern, tapos
Wait
na.
lang.
Oh,
Hala!
may
Sir, tapos ka na. Malapit ka na ba matapos?
Bro.
I'm waiting for daylight. Kasi, like, the saplings, I only have 4.
Ah, okay.
Daylight.
Si Creeper.
Sorry, akala ko porn star ako.
Burn.
Ooh. Huy, akala mo.
It's gotta real.
Wait lang.
No. Ayo, guy, what's up?
Damn, we didn't answer. What a fucking bitch.
Man's probably busy.
Yeah, jackalling or something, I don't know.
What?
Sorry. Wait, pag gumawa ng sin si
Post na.
God, kanina siya nagko-confess. Oh my god. Sasabihin nila, oh, God doesn't sit. Shut the fuck, bitch. Sorry. Galit ako sa kay Zoe. No.
Yeah, dude.
Yay. Like, when I see Zoe, like,
Okay,
booga,
dude,
booga, booga. Yeah?
yeah. Uh-huh.
Yay.